अगर आप ढेर सारा एक्सपेंसिव स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर रहे हो बट येट नो रिजल्ट, स्टिल acnes are there, still dullness is there, then definitely you are missing out on a major thing. And the problem is not that you are not able to choose a proper product. Rather the problem is कि आप ये भूल जा रहे हो कि it's better to cleanse yourself from within. There are few nutrients, there are few food that can help you to glow from within. So let's discuss about that in today's video. But उससे पहले अगर अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से कर लो so that you are never missing out on any updates in the channel, and make sure to click on the bell icon to stay notified. जब हम स्किन केयर की बात करते हैं तो बहुत सारे लोग दे स्पीक अबाउट द क्रीम्स, द सीरम, द वे यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ योर एक्सटर्नल ग्लो, द एक्सटर्नल हेल्थ ऑफ योर स्किन, बट जो हर कोई ईजीली मिस आउट कर जाता है दैट इज़ द इंटरनल हेल्थ ऑफ द स्किन. Basically, our skin, it reflects our internal health, your internal nourishment, the water quality, the quality of the food, your food eating patterns, pollution, and also genetics has a very major role to play in this. And how can we forget the stress and the sleep, the two major part that actually get reflected in our skin health. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग कि क्या आपके स्किन हेल्थ को बेटर कर सकता है, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन कौन से चीज़ हैं जो आपका स्किन क्वालिटी को डिग्रेड कर रहा है, डिटोरिएट कर रहा है. सो जब हम एक हेल्दी स्किन की बात करते हैं वी बेसिकली मीन अ स्किन दैट इज़ नॉट एक्ने प्रोन, जहाँ पे एक्नीज नहीं आते, पिंपल्स नहीं आते हैं, विच डज नॉट मेक यू लुक एजड देन योर एक्चुअल एज, and at the same time that has an internal glow. This is what we call a healthy skin. So let's understand what are the reasons these three things get triggered. Firstly, talking about acne. So acne is mainly produced क्योंकि हमारे स्किन के नीचे sebaceous gland रहता है which is oil producing gland, जो highly regulated होते हैं by the quality of oil that we are having. Therefore, having poor quality of oil, जैसे कि अगर आप saturated fats ले रहे हो या फिर you're having a lot of fried food, processed food, चिप्स वगैरह अगर आप ज़्यादा ले रहे हो दैट माइट ट्रिगर एक्नेस. एट द सेम टाइम एक्नेस आर ऑल्सो ट्रिगर्ड बाय मोर ऑफ इन्फ्लेमेशन. ये सारे प्रोसेस्ड फूड दे ऑल्सो ट्रिगर इन्फ्लेमेशन, जिसकी वजह से पस फॉर्मिंग एक्नेस या फिर पिंपल्स हो सकते हैं. एंड इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि इन्फ्लेमेशन बस आपके खाने से आए. It can come from the cloth that you're using to clean your face or the pillow cover that you are not changing for a couple of days. And even the quality of the pillow cover that you're using. अगर आप breathable pillow cover नहीं use करते हो, your skin will not be able to breathe overnight, causing pimples and acne. अब आते हैं skin aging पे. Skin aging is more visible जब आप more of sugary stuffs ले रहे हो. जब आप sugary stuffs लेते हो then your blood sugar level suddenly spikes up. It does not only mean कि आप sugar avoid करो, but any other food stuffs that are spiking up your blood sugar levels rapidly, जैसे कि कोई soft drink हो गया, coke वगैरह हो गया, they all spikes your blood sugar level because they contain a lot amount of sugar. But how does sugar affect your skin health? Basically, when you're taking more of sugar, your collagen levels gets down. And collagen is the main component that makes your skin look young. इसके साथ साथ प्रोटीन इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज प्रोटीन इज द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ दिस कोलेजन. सो योर डाइट शुड ऑल्सो कंटेन एडिक्वेट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन ताकि आपके बॉडी में एडिक्वेट अमाउंट ऑफ कोलेजन प्रोड्यूस होता रहे. And lastly is the glow. Basically, glow is reduced when your body is lacking antioxidant. जब आपके बॉडी में antioxidants कम होते हैं then you do not have that glow. Along with that, if you're not hydrated, you lose out on that glow. And last but not the least is your gut health. If your gut health is not good, अगर आपको regular motions नहीं होते हैं, if you're facing constipation kind of issues, definitely वो reflect करेगा in your skin health. So you need to make sure that your gut health is good so that your skin can reflect the internal glow. सो अभी जब आपको पता है कि क्या क्या रीजंस हैं दैट आर मोस्टली ट्रिगरिंग पोर स्किन हेल्थ, लेट अस डिस्कस मोर अबाउट इट. ये जानते हैं कि क्या क्या चीज़ करने से योर स्किन माइट लुक बेटर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आपको अपने डाइट में यू शुड इंक्लूड गुड फैटी एसिड्स जैसे कि आलमंड्स, वॉलनट्स, यू कैन गो विथ एनी काइंड ऑफ सीड्स. Try avoiding refined oil. Refined oil is very rich in saturated fats, so it is not at all good for your health and neither for your skin. So go with cold pressed oil. आप कच्ची घनी oil use कर सकते हो. You can go with olive oil या फिर आप कोई भी wood pressed oil use कर सकते हो. ये आपको दो तरीके से हेल्प करेगा. नंबर वन बीइंग इट विल रिड्यूस योर इंटरनल इन्फ्लेमेशन and therefore the formation of acne and pimples, and at the same time ये sebaceous gland में जो oil produced होते हैं that will be in control. The reason being you will not face those issues of pimples and acne. Next is try adding protein. प्रोटीन अगर डाइट में एडिक्वेट नहीं रहेगा योर कोलेजन विल नॉट गेट बूस्टेड. आई नो कि अभी मार्केट में बहुत सारे सप्लीमेंट्स हैं दैट कंटेन्स कोलेजन, but that also contain of number of other stuffs that will affect your body within. So it's better to use stuffs that you get from nature. Natural food stuff से अपना protein requirement fulfill करने की कोशिश करो. If possible, try having 3 egg whites every day. या फिर आप पनीर या फिर स्प्राउट से अपना प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल कर सकते हो. एंड उसके साथ साथ ऑब्वियसली यू नीड टू अवॉइड लॉट ऑफ शुगरी स्टफ्स. शुगर इज नॉट एक्चुअली बैड. The worst thing is the processed food that we have. जैसे कि मैदा, bread, burger, pizzas, all of these things, the more you're avoiding, the more you're contributing to your skin health. Next is antioxidants. As I said कि antioxidant हमारे skin के glow के लिए बहुत important है. But कहाँ से आएंगे ये antioxidant? Basically, fruits are the good sources of antioxidant. Mostly vitamin C containing fruit जैसे कि oranges, papaya, guava is also a very good source of vitamin C which most of the people doesn't know. तो आप ये सारे fruits ले सकते हो. Along with that, because it is summer now, try keeping yourself hydrated. You can take watermelon or any other fruit that has more water content to stay hydrated so that your skin is hydrated and skin is glowing. Next is gut health. Basically, as I said कि gut health हमारे skin health के लिए बहुत important है. But how to enhance your gut health? First of all, you can include probiotic in your daily diet. That should be a part of your regular meals. Preferably in the afternoon आप buttermilk ले सकते हो या फिर curd ले सकते हो to ensure that आपके gut में adequate amount of microorganisms रहे, to ensure proper digestion of food and to ensure better skin health. Now the most important part, that is the stress and the sleep. अगर आप ज़्यादा stressed हो then you might have wrinkles. You might lose your glow. अगर आपका adequate sleep नहीं हो रहा है then definitely you might have dark circles. So stress free रहने के लिए you can follow anything that you like, preferably being yoga जो आपको overall internally help करेगा and it will also help you reduce stress, but anything that you like to reduce your stress can be done. And obviously 8 to 10 hours of sleep is a must. एंड स्किन केयर के लिए बहुत बेसिक सी चीज़ें अगर आप फॉलो करोगे देन डेफिनेटली दैट विल हेल्प टू रिड्यूस द पोल्यूशन दैट क्लॉग्स आवर स्किन. बेसिकली जब आप बाहर से घर में आओ, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर वॉशिंग योर फेस प्रॉपरली एंड यू आर cleaning your face with a clean towel. Secondly, use a breathable pillow cover, mostly being cotton. Cotton pillow covers are more breathable, so they will help your skin breathe at night and therefore pimples, acne, rashes ये बहुत कम होंगे. And it is also important to change the pillow covers at least 2 times a week. अगर आप ये करते हो, अगर आपका स्किन बहुत acne prone है, try doing this. Definitely you will see a change. So follow these few points. Have good proteins, have good antioxidant rich sources जैसे कि fruits, have good sources of oil. Avoid saturated fats and try going with cold pressed oil. Have probiotics daily. Have good sleep and also do something to reduce your stress and change your pillow covers and use a breathable pillow cover. Follow this for a month and let me know the changes that you observe in the comment section. Do stay tuned for more such videos and I will see you on the next video. Until then, stay fit and stay healthy.